The economic recovery is built on bricks, and to keep up with demand for new houses, this company has invested £20 million in a new kiln. But the burners guzzle tens of millions of pounds of gas each year. The recent price rises have hurt, and there's not even a guarantee of supply. At the first sign of a national shortage, the factory would be cut off.
It will be a disaster. I mean, it's at a time at the moment where we do need bricks to support house building. What we don't want to be doing is taking this kiln off, and what we certainly don't want to do is run any risk of any structural damage to the kiln itself.
The UK stores enough gas to last 13 days. These tanks on the Kent coast are the size of the Albert Hall. But Germany stores 5 times as much in case there's a problem with the supply from countries like Russia. The British government has rejected calls to increase capacity. North Sea gas is running out. By 2020, 3/4 of our supply will be arriving by tanker at terminals like this or pumped through pipes from the continent. But that means we're not in control of our own supply anymore. We are at the mercy of the global wholesale market.
Basically, we almost ran out of gas in storage, literally a few hours worth. And what that translated into, of course, was a spike in the market, the traded market price for gas.
According to this energy consultant, 2 of the 3 major pipelines broke down in March just as demand soared because of the extreme cold. The gas price doubled, costing the economy £400 million.
It foreshadows things to come, and the situation really, in terms of the risks involved, can only get worse as UK North Sea production runs down in the future. If we don't have storage, and we have very limited storage today, that situation is going to translate into real vulnerability.
Operational controls will be located on shore at Barrow-in-Furness.
But 3 major gas storage projects, including this one under the Irish Sea, have been shelved this autumn. The companies say they need government help.
We certainly view gas storage as being an insurance policy for consumers, and we see price protection for consumers from the international gas markets as domestic gas consumption in the UK declines as being very important.
A report for the government studied the economic case for a subsidy. 3 scenarios forecast savings for consumers of up to £1 billion over 10 years. But the minister focused on the one that showed bills would increase, and he selectively quoted only the upfront cost of supporting storage.
I would have had to be persuaded that this would have been a subsidy worth paying now, and I don't think it is worth it. There are better ways of improving our security of supply.
But MPs on the Energy Select Committee are so concerned they are to reopen an inquiry into gas storage and the effect it would have on keeping prices down. Thomas Moore, Sky News.